Okay, now Spencer, you are a superhero, right? And I'm a bad guy?
Yep.
Okay.
You're the baddest villain in the world.
Oh, and before we start, do you remember what day today is?
November 14th?
You're right! Okay.
I wonder where he could be. Is he in my secret lab? Oh. Alright. He might be right here.
Rah! I am a bad guy.
Then I'm going to get you.
Oh no! I give up!
Well, the first thing I would do, I'm going to call the police. Let's see. 1, 3, 4, 17, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Hello, this is the police.
Hello, this is the police. I just take away the bad guy's sword. And now, would you capture them?
Yep, we'll be right over.
Yeah.
Okay, now we pretend the police are coming to take the bad guy away. And the bad guy still has his hands up. Do 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 do.
Hands up.
My hands are up. Boop.
You have to go to jail, to the dungeon, and you'll never escape again. And even I need you to be in here until you calm down and think what you did.
Okay. Let's point the camera at your superhero costume that you made, and you want to tell everybody how you made it? What's it made of? Here, I'm going to go over here so we have better light. Okay.
My costume is a cape, my own yellow karate belt, and shorts.
And what is this? That's a scarf. Is like
a scarf.
A different kind of cape. And a sword.
And a sword.
Very good, little guy. Do you have a special name for your superhero that you made?
I am the superhero Joe the Second.
Joe the Second.
I am superhero Joe the Second.
Cool. And what was the name of my bad guy? Who was I?
You're Stanton.
Stampton?
Yep.
Okay, well that sounds cool.
You're Stanton. And even this movie was great.
Thank you, Spencer.
Now, there's more.
Do you want to make another movie?
Well, we're going to finish this movie.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to stop it. Ba-doop. Okay, it's back. Okay.
Okay, now.
What do we do? What's our new thing?
Your new thing? You can do anything you want. First, we're going to sword fight, then do anything you want.
Okay. Well, here, I'm going to turn on this light in here so we get a little more light on us so the camcorder can see us. Okay. Say when to go.
Go.
Woo, oh. Yeah, here, duck. Whoa. I give up again.
Well.
You are the hero.
Anyway, I have. It's time for my own secret weapon.
What is your secret weapon?
You would see, laddie.
Laddie. Come back soon, Spencer, because it's almost time for you to eat breakfast. Okay, come on in.
This time.
Extra belt. Okay, stand here where the camera can see you. Stand right here.
Right now. This time you are going to be captured.
Are you going to tie me up with this strap?
You will never escape because it's going to be so tight.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Here. If you want it to really hold me, let me help you. Here. Put this through here. Now pull it tight. Oh, there you go. Oh, I'm so tied up.
And right now, it's time for this.
Well, here, wait. That's not in the camera, so let's move over. Okay, now bring it. You're gonna attach me to the vacuum cleaner.
Oh yes, you bad dude.
That's a really serious punishment. Where's my boy? Oh, your other white belt.
Yeah.
Oh man, you're super tying me.
Well, I would tell you when you can get out.
You have tied up the bad guy, superhero.
That's right, because I don't have a dungeon, so I used ropes.
To tie me to a vacuum cleaner. I am so stuck. I can never go out and do bad things again. Here, stand here when you talk. And that way you are on the camera.
And this is me speaking. And this here's bad guy is always captured because I'm the goodest guy in the world. I stopped in all the bad villains in Crime Land, and I captured all the bad guys in Chinese Land.
Hey, Spencer, I'm getting tired. Can I get up now?
And even he has been captured, but he's escaping right now.
I'm escaping, so I'm good now, and now I am a cook for good guys, and I'm going to make you superfood, which is Alfredo noodles.